In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Etched Runes in the Archero 2 game. I will cover all the legit ways to get them, so make sure to watch till the end. Before you can get Etched Runes, you first need to unlock the Etched Rune slot. To do this, go to the Equilipt section and then open the Runes tab. You will see 3 locked spaces. These are the Etched Rune slots. To unlock these slots, you will need to equip all empty spaces with runes and upgrade every rune to epic quality. Once all your runes are epic, the Etched Rune slot will unlock and you will be able to place runes in them. Now there are few ways to get Etched Runes. The first is through the in-game shop. Sometimes you will see special offers. For example, packs that include Arrow of Echo Etched Runes. These packs usually cost around $60. So the second way is by practicing in events. The game often runs events where you can earn Etched Runes as rewards. So keep an eye out and join these events whenever possible. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.